Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Google Analytics 4 configuration after tagging issues, full guide step by step clearly. First, open your Google Analytics account and log in. Navigate to the admin section by clicking the gear icon in the bottom left corner. Select the appropriate property where you are experiencing tagging issues. Locate the data streams option under the property column. Click on the data stream associated with your website. Review the settings to ensure your measurement ID is correctly implemented. If you notice discrepancies, copy the measurement ID for reference. Next, check your website's source code. Look for the Google Analytics tracking tag in the header or body section. Compare the tag against the measurement ID from your data stream. If the measurement ID differs, update it with the correct one. Now, check if the tag is implemented using the Google Tag Assistant Chrome extension. Go to your website and click the Tag Assistant icon in your browser. Enable recording, then refresh your website. Review the results for any errors or warnings related to your Google Analytics setup. If errors are present, troubleshoot each issue as indicated by the Tag Assistant. Next, check if you have any custom events set up in your Google Analytics account. Return to the admin section and choose events from the property column. Ensure that all your necessary events are listed and have the correct configuration. If a custom event is missing or incorrectly configured, create or modify it accordingly. Once your tagging issues are resolved, utilize Google Analytics Debug View feature. In a separate browser tab, navigate back to your Google Analytics account. Under the Configure section, select Debug View. Open your website in a new window and watch the real-time data in Debug View to verify that your events are properly firing. After confirming everything is working, test your setup across different devices and browsers. Finally, document the restored configurations for future reference. This will help streamline troubleshooting if similar issues arise again. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.